as infeasible as zombies are, you need to also remember they're easier to kill than they're portrayed. Because even though you have to defeat the brain, how realistically could you defeat the brain? You just bleed out the zombie. Or you stop its heart, the thing that pumps the brain full of the thing, right? It's like it's like if it had a zombie car. Okay, just get rid of the gas. No, no, no. It's like it's flawed to how these organisms would be functioning, right? You have to think of the underlying mechanism for why these things are being zombies, why we're being turned into a zombie, right? Is it a parasite or is it a disease, a virus, right? And in most of these, there's something that they need, especially a parasite. A parasite needs a host to feed off of, right? And the whole problem with this is the premise is the disease or the parasite of the zombie variant can run the whole body without energy, without anything, without proper organs functioning. That would mean that the disease, virus, or parasite, whatever, would have to be absolutely stronger than a living human, which in itself would defeat the purpose. And it in itself would be a different creature. Because at the end of the day, you could defeat a zombie by defeating the brain, but unless it's like a possessed creature, I'm pretty sure you can defeat the brain and make the brain stop working by stopping the blood that pumps to it or stopping the person from having blood by bleeding them out. And these would be viable options to get rid of a zombie. But they're not portrayed in any media. It's like I've stabbed it in the heart. I've stabbed it. It's bleeding so much. It's not nothing's happening. I don't think you're ever going to defeat the zombie virus if this is how it is. If it can actually control a whole human body without any proteins, anything, any carbs, anything. And then it's just like, oh, it occasionally bit someone. It occasionally, like, you know how they always portrayed a zombie? The person, no, 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 not the zombie, not the zombie who's just been feeding. The guy, I got bit. Oh, I'm turned into a zombie. It's like, it's like he's got all the power in the world. He's got 10 times the power he had. He just ran 10 marathons. He's, whoo, whoo, whoo. And now he's a zombie. He's got, oh, lungs. They don't need function. Like the cells don't need oxygen to function. They're now manipulating the cells. Like the zombie virus is not venom. Like that's the issue here. It's like so inconceivable when you actually think about it. Kind of ruins the zombies almost. I don't know. Love you anyways. Thanks for staying for this chat. Zombie out.